So here's what I want to use to kind of lay a groundwork. A high income skill comes from a skill set that takes you from the norm. So I'm going to call this level here a generalist. Generalist. And so all of us have general skills, and all of us are like a 5, a 4 at different things that we can do. And you're okay at it, but you're generalist. And what I want to say to all of us is that's why I said on YouTube, I want you to kind of look at what would your channel focus really be, so that it's not general. Talking about, while you can talk about a lot of things, all of us can, there's something that you can talk about where the level of expertise and the level of impact that you can have, that would be the best thing for you to talk about to get you to 6 figures. Y'all get what I'm saying? Mm-hmm. Everything's not going to get you there. Mm-hmm. Unfortunately, some subjects that are really, really important, like even getting unstuck, some of the general stuff, everybody talks about it, right? Mm-hmm. But if you're teaching people actually how to build a YouTube channel, and actually you build yours up to where YouTube is paying you a lot of money, mm-hmm. then now that becomes a high income topic. When I taught on gifts and callings, which I did for many years at my church, and then I did it in churches, that's a spiritual topic, but it's not one that I'm going to get paid for, like teaching high income skills. So generalist. The second level is a specialist. A specialist. And when you start moving into being a specialist at something, it was the thing that I saw in Annetta when she would come and teach this elevator pitch thing. It's like, I didn't even know what else she had. She had that, and that was enough. I hadn't seen anybody do that. We had 180 women in the room. Jewel Diamond Taylor was there, which Jewel Diamond Taylor, a lot more people knew her than Annetta, because Annetta's in Florida. Jewel Diamond Taylor, this was a DC event. We know Jewel, even though she lives in California. So Jewel came and she did what she does, and it was amazing, and it inspired women, and it helped women. Annetta came with a sharpshooter specific skill set. And it's like she was revamping elevator pitches in the room, and the room was an amazement. I have footage of women doing like this.
Oh, you definitely need to send me that.
I do. And I actually have it on a video that I just posted. Women were blown away because they had never seen it before. It's like she took whatever they said, she flipped it, and that day you were just on fire doing it. God's anointing was there. It was your first time, and I think you just stepped into that anointing, and God blessed. And so that's being a specialist. This stuff, first of all, is not easy. How many of you all will hear me talk on YouTube about people being professional dabblers? Mm-hmm. How many of you hear me talk about that? Yeah. Most people are professional dabblers. I just said it on one of my videos. And so it's easy to dabble. It's very difficult to be focused. It's very difficult to say, I'm going to become a specialist at one thing.